Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your profile picture on Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, Trello as a service is a software service which is under Atlassian. Atlassian is a company that has a couple of other services, such as Jira and something else that I have completely forgotten about at the current moment. But in general, you're going to be using your Atlassian account for all of these services. Really doesn't matter what you're using them for, but I'm going to show you how you can access the Manage Account screen from Trello. And all you need to do is go to the top right, hover over your account icon, click there, click Manage Account, and now you get to this page here. As you can see, it is the Atlassian Account Center, and then to change your profile picture, you just need to click here where your initial is. You see this camera icon when you hover over it, click on that. Then you can either add a photo or create initials avatar. You can choose a color and add up to 4 initials. And I'll add, I don't know, tutorial or just TTRL, and click update. And now if I go back to my Trello and I reload the page, as you will see, my profile picture will have changed, as you can see there, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.